In this video, I'm going to explain Memecoin trading strategy that I can use to make the market. There are basically a lot of trading strategies that you can actually use. There's fundamental trading strategy that involves you checking to see if the coin is trendy, if there are people interested in the coin, and checking their Twitter and all those stuff again. I'll be familiar with that one, but this one is the technical aspect, which can give you insight on where you can enter into the coin, where you can take profit to get. So you should know there are a lot of trade strategy we do, but the ones that I think work best with meme coin trading is actually support and resistance, and sometimes trend line trading strategy. Then make use of psychological support and resistance. You know that like psychological support and resistance are actually whole numbers, not like 500k market cap, 1 million, 5 million, 100k market cap, 10 million market cap, you get. So at these levels are where people tend to take profit from. For example, this was about 100 million market cap, right? Look to this particular place. About this level, you can see that people bought in. And when you get to this level, about 200 million market cap, people take profit to get. These are what psychological round numbers people have assumed as support and resistance. You get. You also mark out for entry. For example, this is an old coin. Yeah, this really works for old coins. You can see this is an old coin that has been doing quite well. It has created for a long time now, and you can see the coin has been going up, coming down, going up, coming down for a while now. Yet, so you can see it went up, come down, went up, come down, went up, come down. Yet, so if you can mark out these levels right here, so I'm going to use this horizontal box and say at this level, so we can mark out this level, right? This is kind of a support level, support zone at this particular place. Why do I call it support zone? Support zones are levels that when price to tends to move upward. Can see any price gets to this particular level, price goes up. These are support zones you get. Can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and price is trying to come at this particular level. What this means is that if you are trying to get into this particular coin, trying to enter, these are potential places that you should be looking to get buyers ready to buy the coin you get. And also, if it's had to draw this at the top, because at this top is also a resistance zone. Why is it resistance zone? Because at this top, it's very good to see that when price goes to this place, price did not go higher. Instead, price came back down to this particular level. You get price going to this place, did not go above it a lot, and price came back down. Yes, when price go to this price came back down. So, which means that if you start to buy at this particular place, this will be the next zone that you'll be looking to take profit from. You get. So, if you wait for price to come to this particular region, it must not be like close to this region. If I can get close to this region, you guys will be able to take profit at this particular place you get. So this is what you call support and resistance. Also, this place is also a support level, as you can see, right? But this is support level too. So that's like what I've been saying before. You should wait for price to go to this particular place. And once price this place, you probably buy and take profit at this level or at this level. You can use your price range to see your profit that you're going to make. As you can see, with this particular strategy, you can easily know what you want to make and you can do that day. So this strategy actually works for old again because this particular coin analyze is actually a very old coin. And guys, I would like to give you a disclaimer at this point. I don't recommend you buy this coin yet because there's no actually going to make profit from it yet. You can see at the time I'm making this video, the transactions is just level transactions. You get the coin is probably doing very it's going down. Though there are a lot of orders, the coin is going down this particular place. I never recommend you buy this coin. But this video is just for an illustration. You get. So now I'm going to use on that coin as an example. This is actually a very is a new coin they created about 8 hours ago. So when trading old coin and when trading new coin, the strategies are very different. You get. So we put this in full mode. The support resistance that I talked about also works here in this case. As you can see below right here are support levels, right here are resistance levels, and you can see when the coin run to the highest is about 2 market cap, it retraces to this particular level and it has stand not on this particular level. We put it in flat time for let's say 5 minutes. I'm going to see that the coin will really be moving within these particular levels. Yes, within this particular level. These are the coins I'll be doing between this level from about 900k. This is about 800k market cap to about 1.2 million market cap. This is what this coin has been doing. So support level actually was giving insight on where you can probably buy, maybe you should look to take profit off. You get. Also, guys, when trading new coins, the other things you should probably check out for. You get. One of the things is actually the volume bar. You get a volume bar, which is this bar right below. That says the volume bar is quite down compared to the others because the amount of volume traders that went in at this early phase, now the same transaction that is going to come in at this place. And this coin might still come down to this place and pick up. We don't know. You get. It all depends on the market setting and what people think about it. Other ways I use in trading and new coins is me putting this in USD and clicking on it. You get to see people are putting large amount of money into this particular coin, and they're probably checking their Twitter on their website. Those are part of fundamental analysis. But guys, this actually give you so this actually give you a hold of where you can potentially buy, where you can potentially sell. But so I'll be analyzing the next coin, which is actually this particular one. This is also an old coin, so this does probably work for it too. And guys, you can see I already drew the support resistance line. Or you may put this in 1 hour time frame, and I can set to erase it like you guys can see. So as you can see, this was the highest place the coin price went to. This was like a resistance. Then from this place, you traced to this place and went top to this particular support zone, and now it's back to this place. You can see if you know that support and resistance areas are not just straight lines, they are zones. You get. That's why oftentimes I always use the horizontal pulse to draw them. You get. So which means that anytime price gets to this region, you should be looking at buying. You get. So let me just simply do that. Put the horizontal pulse. So let's say this region. This limits that anytime price get to this region, you should be looking to buy. Get. And anytime price get towards just around this region, you should be looking to sell because these are historical places where price have gone to before. So it is very easy and this how it works. And also if you notice this particular coin, the price is actually going down. You get the price is going down, you get. So what you should be doing is when you have market support and resistance level, does not mean that if you buy immediately, you can buy and the price will slowly just break and start going down to zero, you get. One moment coin really go down to zero. What you should be looking at saying is actually this. So let me quickly bring out this. If you're looking at seeing something like this, you get. So if price eventually get to this place, if you're looking to see an upward movement here, an upward movement at this place, you get. We see an upward movement like this, which shows that people are who the people are interested, our volume is coming in. They should really be looking at buying the coin because you can also buy at this particular place. Good. I don't know if you can also buy at this particular place. And instead of the coin to go up, it just break down, start going down to zero. You get. So there's no master, you get, on one way of doing this. You get. It just involves you to actually be, I don't know, make your decision by yourself. You get. So you can see 5 minutes, that is only just expired transactions. You get. And receiver to give out from this particular coin. Okay, this is basically I can actually use this strategy. So there's something I want to show you in this particular one, right? So if I put this on full screen, you can see that there's a massive dump in this place. You get. So if you notice, the coin was at 1.12 billion market cap, and suddenly it got dumped to about 397k, and now to about 196 million. Okay, sorry, 200, 400, 424 million, and now about 189 million. You see, when we tell you that you should not buy a coin that the debt is only more than 20%, if the 10 debt out of 10 holders are only about 20 about 20 or more than 20%, if one of them says this is what you get to see, probably one of the top 10 holders sold the coin and this will create this massive dump you get in this particular coin. So and there's this is it. Yeah, but if you see for this particular coin, you can also see that people are also buying it. I think the coin has a lot of potential. I don't know, or it's still trendy, and people are still buying into this particular coin. People are buying into this particular coin. So this coin also has potential of going up. We don't know. So you get out do your analysis, and then you can make profit off it. And no recommend you buy this coin and analyze. Do your research before buying the coin. So yeah, this will be it for this video. If you don't like, subscribe, turn the bell icon. See you in my next video. Peace out.